Strengths: security, excellence. Every building deserves quality workmanship, from strong gates and elegant railings to professional welding and construction services. The right craftsmanship adds beauty, security, durability, and values of your property. At the Royal Construction, we specialize in quality welding services, strong and durable gates, modern and metal design railings, professional construction solutions, reliable and expert workmanship. Whether you are building, renovating, or upgrading your property, trust the professionals who deliver quality without compromise.